welcome back to one of my videos. I decided to buy this mystery box listed as a bestseller on HappySlimeBoy's Etsy shop in the UK. It cost £9.99 with shipping at £3.45, so that's £13.44, and here it is. Not quite a box, it's a package. And here's some extras. A lolly, some borax, a little toy, and I guess care sheet instructions. I'm sorry about my voice, I've got a terrible cold right now, so it's that time of year, isn't it? So we have a big packet of slimes there and another little one here with some bubble wrap. So nothing's leaked, nothing's broken, that's really good. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, so let's have a look at this first slime here. This looks like a 4-ounce slime, and there's no label to say what it is. This looks like a sleigh slime, and there's no scent at all. But it's a pretty colour. I like the glitter. That's quite nice. It feels very nice as well. This is a pretty good slime. I just think it could perhaps do with a scent, just to make it a bit more interesting. So let's have a look at this, shall we? Very spreadable. Very nice, and it's got things in it. Like Fimo sprinkles of some sort. Oh, it's a little heart. They're little heart Fimo sprinkles. That's really cute. It's a shame they're not on top of the slime. They're mixed in, so you can't really appreciate them at the very start. But yeah, this is a good slime. Yep, so it's got really good poke and click. It's very smooth, spreadable, stretchy, very clayey, really nice. And it makes really good swirls as well. So that's a really good quality slime. I just think perhaps it could do with sprucing up slightly, give a name to it, give it a scent, and maybe put the sprinkles on last rather than mix them into the slime beforehand. Or even just include the sprinkles in a little baggie so that people can add it themselves. But otherwise, that is a really good slime. Yeah. Oh, before I forget, let's have a look at these extras, shall we? Okay, so we have a baggie of borax, a lolly, and this little toy, which is pretty cute. I can see I need to work at that. Okay, so on to the second slime, and this is an 8-ounce from the looks of it, and sealed with rubber bands. And I like his sticker, that's really cute. But there's nothing to say what this slime is. So let's find out. Well, it's a nice colour, and it's obviously a foam. And there's no scent. Again, no, it just smells of glue. It's very firm, there's lots of beads packed into this, and the slime looks quite glossy, so let's get it out. it's really generously packed with foam beads. Probably, well, it's a full flown, so that's great. And it's not, there's no fallout, so that's a good thing too. And it makes a lovely crackle and pop sound, and it's pretty good actually. I just would like a name for this slime and possibly a scent as well. Seeing as it's not a clear slime, you can get away with scents and it just adds. But this is lovely and crunchy. Okay, and on to slime number 3. Sealed very well with these elastic bands. Again, no name. And look at these colours marbling and some sort of texture in there as well. Let's find out what this is. Oh, there's beads in here as well. Oh, again, there's no scent. No, there's no scent. It just smells of glue. And I'm not so sure about the colours. I mean, I like purple, and the green is a bit murky, but there's lots of things in here, but I can't tell what they are. I think this is a combo of cloud slime and a sleigh slime, so cloud cream, I'm guessing. So it's got lots of foam beads in it. It's got, I don't know, it's hard to tell. So it's a very murky colour, it's very spreadable, but I'm a bit disappointed with the colour of this one. I think, you know, from what I saw of the shop, I was expecting something a bit more colourful. And the textures, I don't know, it's not one of my favourites, I'm afraid. But perhaps need to work a bit on that one, I would say. But it's not sticky, and also it's not very full, and I do, if I don't fill my pots right to the brim, I do get complaints, so I make sure I fill them, and if they are low, it's because they deflated because it's fluffy slime. So here are all the slimes, and for just £10, I think it's quite a generous amount, with a toy and a lollipop and some borax. I would just say work on names, scents and colours. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!